Hey students, how is going on? Wow, I can see all the smiling faces here. Good. Then welcome to my class with all your happy faces. This is Sultana Parvin, your English teacher, and I'm going to take a class of class 8 from English for today. But before discussing the topic, let's see some pictures. The first one. The second one. They are so colorful, no? Third picture. We can see some fresh fruits there on the boat. And what can you see there? Nicely cut green coconuts. Okay? So, class, from these pictures, can you now guess the topic we are going to discuss? Right, this is a kind of market. As on the water, we can say floating market. So today's topic is the Tha Khal floating market. And this is from Unit 6, Lesson 9. We will know more about it by going through a passage. But before that, we have to know the meaning of some new words we will find here. Are you ready? Okay, now the word meaning. The first one, laden, means filled. Laden with means filled with or full with. The boat is filled with various kinds of fruits. Second one, chit chat, that means small talk. Hey guys, how are you? What's going on? What's up? These kind of talks are called small talk. Then native means local people. Surrounded means encircled. That means keeping something in the middle. Delicious, that means tasty or yummy. Traditional, conventional. It means a custom or some culture that is maintained from a very long time. That is called conventional. And the last one, trades, means business. Okay, now we know the meanings of the new words. This is time for passage. Listen to me very carefully, okay? Here we go. It was Sunday. Mita, Zara, Juma Islam and Mazharul Islam woke up very early. They quickly got ready and started for Tha Khal floating market. They planned to have breakfast at the market. They reached the marketplace sharp at 7. Do you know the meaning of sharp at 7? That means just at the right time of 7 o'clock. Okay. The canals were surrounded with coconut palm trees. They hired a boat. The boatman started to row slowly, taking them to the center of the market. There were boats everywhere. The sailors were mainly elderly Thai women. The small boats were laden with bundles of lotus flowers, farm-fresh coconuts, fruits, vegetables, local food, and delicious sweets. The sailors and buyers rowed their boats slowly. The sailors displayed their goods for sale, and the buyers chose their pick. They could have a little chit-chat as buying and selling was going on. The Tha Khal floating market is more traditional with a few tourists visiting than other floating markets. Originally, the Tha Khal floating market used to sit only 6 or 7 days a month, depending on the phase of the moon. Nowadays, the trade takes place on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays too. The main buyers here are the Tha Khal natives. People seem to know each other very well. Everyone was seen smiling and calling each other by name. The locals did not notice Mita and others much. They were all busy buying and selling. Okay, we have finished the passage. Now, this is time for questions and answers from this text. First question. What kind of market it was? The answer is, it was a traditional floating market. The second question. Why did the boatman row slowly? And the answer is, the boatman rowed slowly so that the buyers could see the goods for sale and choose their pick. Question number 3. What were the elderly women selling? The answer is, the elderly women were selling bundles of lotus flowers, farm-fresh coconuts, fruits, vegetables, local food, and delicious sweets. And the question number 4. How many days the floating market used to sit? The answer is, it used to sit only 6 or 7 days a month depending on the phase on the moon. Okay, so these are all the questions and their answers. Now we are moving to multiple choice questions. You have 4 options for each MCQ and you have 7 MCQ for your exams. So, the first one. Where will they take breakfast? The options are in the hotel, in the market, at home, in the forest. And the right answer is B, in the market. Second one. They went to the center of the market by bus, car, boat, train. The right option is C, boat. Number 3. The word center in the text means upper place, bottom place, lower place, middle place. And the right answer is D, middle place. Number 4. The market sits on rivers, ponds, canals, fountains. The answer is canals. Number 5. The word farm fresh means the options are just gathered from market, just gathered from farm, just gathered from hut, just gathered from water. And the right option is just gathered from farm. Now number 6. Who are the buyers mostly in the Thaka floating market? The options are locals, foreigners, tourists, outsiders. And the right option is locals. And here we go for the last one, number 7. The buyers are dash with each other. The options are unacquainted, familiar, unknown, unfriendly. And the right choice is familiar. So we have finished all the MCQs too. Now this is time for homework. Your homework will be an email to the principal to arrange a study tour or excursion. While writing the email, you have to maintain the 4 parts accurately. Okay? Do you remember the 4 parts? They are from, to, sent, and subject. Right. But in this case, in this email, students feel a little problem. That is, What will be the address of 2? Should you use the name of your principal? No, because it will change from time to time. So, what will be the address of 2? Now say this. The address will be like this: principal.bcpsc@gmail.com. Okay? So don't forget to write it. So we are leaving the class today. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Thank you all. Bye bye.